Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make easy homemade chicken noodle soup, only way. Start by simmering chicken with aromatics and salt, then strain and reserve the broth. Sauté onions, carrots, and celery briefly, add the broth and noodles, and simmer until tender. Finish with shredded chicken, fresh parsley, and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Taste and adjust seasoning before serving for a cozy, balanced bowl. Begin by chopping vegetables evenly so they cook at the same rate and taste consistent. Place the chicken in a pot, cover with cold water, and add salt, pepper, and herbs for depth. Bring to a gentle simmer, skimming foam to keep a clear broth. While the chicken cooks, prepare noodles and seasonings so you can finish the soup quickly once the broth is ready. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for setting multiple timers and streaming cozy kitchen playlists while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it'll make hands-free cooking a breeze. Now let's get back to the video. Keep the broth at a gentle simmer to extract maximal flavor without clouding it. After removing and shredding the chicken, return meat to the strained broth and add noodles only when ready to serve. Stir in fresh herbs and lemon at the end to lift the flavors. Taste for salt and adjust, and consider freezing portions for quick future meals that taste homemade and nourishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.